Hi, this is Madison 34th, November 1st, 11:35. Here is the part of Manhattan that is still lit, and we'll turn you around and walk you into the dark, going eastbound on 34th Street. And it's actually a pretty good approximation on the tape of how much light there is. This is what it looks like for more than 30, maybe 50, 60 blocks worth of Manhattan, all the way down to where I live on 200 water, except for one small little section down by the water that has power, and then a couple auxiliary buildings, government buildings. So here we are. We're only half a block down. That's the lighting. If you turn around, there's the rest of Manhattan, fading away. See ya.